Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Docs to draft scripts for Descript editing step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. If you do not have an account, create one or sign in to your existing account. Once logged in, click on the blank document option to create a new document. At the top of the page, select File from the menu. Hover over Page Setup and click on it. In the Page Setup dialog, set the margins to 1 inch on all sides for optimal formatting. Next, set the page orientation to Portrait. Click OK to apply your changes. Now, go to the Format menu at the top. Select Paragraph Styles from the drop-down. Then, choose Normal Text, and click on Options followed by Reset Styles to ensure a clean format. It's time to establish a framework for your script. Start by typing out a title for your script at the top of the document. Center the title to make it stand out. Next, hit Enter and begin with your opening scene description. You can format this as a heading by selecting Title from the Styles dropdown. Write the scene description using clear, concise language. After the scene, provide a brief character introduction if applicable. Press Enter to start the dialogue. Type out each character's name in uppercase followed by a period. Then, press Enter twice before writing their dialogue. This will give enough spacing and create a clear distinction between different characters. Continue this format throughout your script for a clean and professional look. For action lines, return to the previous paragraph style and type them out just like the scene descriptions. You can also create a new page for each scene by hitting Ctrl+Enter for a page break. Once you have composed your script, review it for any formatting inconsistencies. Make sure all character names and dialogue are correctly aligned. When you are satisfied with your script, go to File for Final Adjustments. Select Download and choose Microsoft Word or PDF document for easy importing into Descript. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.